Hey everybody, welcome. My name is Kirk Brown, and I am going to introduce you to my process of getting the Tonal in-home electronic workout system. Yes. So what I decided to do is go ahead and purchase Tonal, and after looking at it on the website and comparing it with some of my own workout goals, I felt this was something that really identified with where I'm trying to go. I'm looking for something that's efficient, something I could do on my own, something I could change up from time to time, and something that really helps track my strength and fitness goals. And Tonal looked like it's pretty much in that area. So I haven't received the Tonal yet. Right now, I'm waiting for it. It should arrive this Thursday. So I am getting my workout room together so that we can get ready for the installation. So right now I'm in my workout room slash storage room, which I had to fight to get this area clear. So you can look behind me. Yep, in the basement of my home here. So one of the key things about Tonal is that they make sure that you have the proper installation area. So I had to select two areas. I had to do two site surveys. So one, I chose a poured concrete wall, which is right here. Let me pull that up. And that one I will have to do the install with my own contractor. And the two was this other area, which was exposed studs right here. So this was exposed studs before, but I had a contractor friend of mine. His name is Ferris. Ferris is a excellent handyman, contractor, does many things around the house. He's done many projects for us. So I suggest you look up Ferris Trotter in the Maryland area. So he's in the process of filling in this wall with some sheetrock. We're going to paint it, and when the Tonal comes, we're going to install it right here on 24-inch on center studs. So that's where we are now. Stick with me, and I will come back the next time when I get the Tonal.